What's up, guys? So last week at work I had a delivery driver, dude kind of messed up and backed up into my truck, caused a little bit of damage over here, ruined this light, broke the grill too. This truck's been needing lights for a while anyway, so I went ahead and took this opportunity to order some new stuff for it. I got all new lenses, new LED bulbs, and I got a new paintable grill because when I paint the truck I plan on painting the grill as well. So let me show you what I got. So I got all this stuff from eBay. Except for the grill I got locally at a parts house. It was actually the cheapest I could find. It was like $60, and the same grill online is roughly like $140, so it was a way better deal. And this is what happens when you buy stuff from China. This LED bulb right here came damaged in the packaging. I'm gonna have to request for them to send me a new one. Hopefully the other one still works. These guys don't care how they ship this stuff. They just put it in a little bubble mailer and it is what it is. I think I paid like $2 for those little bulbs, and then these are the bigger ones for the turn signal and the parking lamp. I want to say these were like 15 bucks. These look like they came in good condition. Hopefully they work. I got some new headlight lenses. They actually look pretty good. Got some good weight to them too. Doesn't feel real cheap. Looks decent. This kit brought new marker lights as well. Just regular factory replacement stuff. I didn't want to get anything smoked or nothing like that. I just wanted to look clean. And this specific kit brought LED headlights. So this is going to be a huge improvement over the dull stuff I've been using. Paintable grill. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start tearing the truck down, get some of this stuff installed. this is why ordering stuff from China is like a gamble sometimes, you know, even though the pricing is great. One of these LED bulbs came broken, but not only that, also this lens came broken right here as well. I'm sure if I were to like call or do a complaint on eBay, I'm sure they'll replace it for me, but I'm not trying to wait that long. So I'm gonna just patch this up with some super glue and get this on the truck. Guys, so I got the front end on the truck. Looks pretty good. Unfortunately, I have that broken headlight over there. I kind of did a temporary repair to get it going for now. Let me show you what these things look like lit up. This is a huge improvement compared to what I had going on over here before. Driving at night was pretty difficult. So that's what it is. Thanks for tuning in. Peace.